Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to study about the class 8 Social Studies History Chapter 1 How, When and Where Extra Questions. So, without wasting our time, let's get into this video. So, let's see the first main of this chapter, multiple choice questions. First one, who was the first Governor General? Answer, Warren Hastings. Second one, who was the last Viceroy? Answer, Lord Mountbatten. Third one, who was James Mill? Answer, Scottish economist and a political philosopher. Fourth one, National Archives of India came up in the year 1920. Fifth one, James Mill divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. So let's move to the second main of this chapter, that is fill in the blanks. First one, dash is about changes that occur over a time. Answer is history. Second one, Renil was asked by Dash to produce maps of Hindustan. Robert Clive. Third one, it is Dash to fix precise dates to the processes that happen over a period of time. Answer is incorrect. Fourth one, the British historians gave importance to the rule of each Governor General. Fifth one, Dash thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe. Answer is Mill, or you can also write it as James Mill. Sixth one, many historians prefer to the period of British rule as colonial. Eighth one, Dash and Dash were established to preserve important records, record rooms and archives. Ninth one, the practice of Dash became common under the colonial administration, that is surveys. So let's move to the third main of this chapter, that is true or false. The first one is, in the common sense notion, history is synonymous with dates. True. Second one, sometimes it is incorrect to fix the dates to the processes that happen over a period of time. False. Third one, dates become important because we focus on a particular set of events as important. True. Fourth one, the chronology of the lives of Governor General marked the different chapters of the history of the British India. True. Fifth one, James Mill divided history into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. False. James Mill divided Indian history into three periods, but Hindu, Muslim, and British. Sixth one, the British did not feel important to preserve the important documents and letters. False. Seventh one, James Mill thought that the Asian societies and civilization were advanced than the European civilization. False. Eighth one, medieval period was associated with the growth of science, reason, democracy, liberty, and equality. False. Ninth one, the documents were carefully copied and beautifully written by calligraphists. True. So let's see the 10th and the last question of true or false, that is, in the early 19th century, detailed surveys were carried out to map the entire country. True. So let's move to the last main of this chapter, that is match the following. So in this main, in the front of the question only, the answers are being written. So the first one is, Modern history. So, what do you mean by modern history? Modern history is a period associated with the growth of science, democracy, liberty, and equality. Second one, colonial. Colonial is a term used to refer to the period of the British rule. Third one, act of writing. Produced administrative culture of memos, noting, and reports. Fourth one, history is divided into chapters to give each chapter some coherence.